Hey my Luxe lovelies, trust you all are doing good and great. Today's hairstyle inspiration is the chic sleek braided low bun. If you need a quick look that fits a busy day at work but still look amazing for a night out or your girly day-to-day activity, this hairstyle is the perfect style for you. The reason most people love this look is because it gives you the best of both worlds. The front is brushed back, super smooth and neat, giving you a clean, classy look. Then, the braided bun in the back adds a really pretty stylish detail so it doesn't look plain. The best part about this hairstyle is it is so easy to manage. It is a fantastic protective hairstyle. It keeps the ends of your natural hair safely tucked away and wrapped up, which stop them from rubbing against your clothes, your neck, and causing breakage or split ends. It's a very simple hairstyle that stays neat for days. This style looks expensive without trying too hard, but trust me, it is very affordable to make. No matter your hair texture, you can achieve this look. All it takes is the right technique to lay everything down flat and secure the bun so it doesn't move and itch all day long. You can use a needle and thread to stitch the bun round so it stays put when you go about your activity. So do well to watch this video to the end to see all the low braided bun hairstyle we have to inspire your next salon visit. And if you are your own hairstylist, grab your favorite hair gel, a good brush, and a sturdy hair towel or your favorite hair extensions and jump right into making this hairstyle yourself. If you found this video helpful and you got some fresh hair inspiration from this video today, please do well to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below letting me know which hairstyle is your favorite. which hairstyle is your favorite. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.